Hello children, we were doing all summer in a day and we had completed first paragraph, page number 111. See, till here we had completed and we have studied up till here that Margot, okay, she is very different from the other children because she remembered the sun and she knew how the sun was and how the sky looked, and whereas the other children, they did not remember the sun well because they were only 2 years old when they had seen sun for the last time. And because of all these reasons, the other children, they treated Margot very differently. And when they heard that she will be returning back to earth with her family, they did not like it. And so they did not want to be with her. Okay, so now we will continue. Get away. One of the boys said to her, get away. Here one more thing is there to remember before we continue is that all the other children, they had come very close to the window. They were pressed to the window because each child wanted to see the sun coming. They wanted to see the rain stop and the sun coming out. So here one of the boy, he said get away to her, and he pushed her. Okay, gave her another push. That means who is that boy? That boy is, who is that boy? That boy is William. Then what happens? Then for the first time she turned and looked at him, and what she was waiting for was in her eyes. So we know that whenever anyone said anything to her, she did not react in any manner. But it was for the first time that she turned at the boy and looked at him. And it was in her eyes. What was she waiting for? What she wanted to see? Well, don't wait around here, cried the boy savagely. So here the boy, he understood that she was also waiting anxiously to see the sun. But he told her not to wait over there. Okay, not to wait over there because she will not be able to see anything. And he cried. The boy cried savagely. Savagely means very rudely. Her lips moved. Nothing, he cried. It was all a joke, wasn't it? He turned to the other children. Nothing's happening today, is it? So here they are pretending in front of her that it was not a special day, as nothing very important was going to take place. And what did they do? They all blinked at him and then, understanding, laughed and shook their heads. So there is somewhat naughtiness going on amongst all the other children, because now they have come together. It seems as if they are conspiring against her. And nothing. Oh, but Margot whispered, her eyes helpless. But this is the day the scientists predict. They say they know the sun. Then Margot, when the children said that there was nothing important going to happen, the sun was not going to come out, then Margot, for the first time, she talked to them. And she said that this is the day that the scientists have predicted that the sun is going to come out. All a joke, said the boy, and seized her roughly. So the boy, that means William, he said that it was all a joke, and he seized her roughly. Seized her means caught her very roughly. Hey, everyone, let's put her in a closet before the teacher comes. And he told the other children who were present over there that what should they do? They should carry her and put her in a closet. What is a closet? Closet, it is a wardrobe with a door. It is used for storage. So here they were planning to put her in a closet. No, said Margot, falling back. So Margot, she did not want to be put inside a closet. They surged about her. What does it mean? They surged about her means they very quickly they came, okay, and moved. They made a circle around her, caught her up and bore her. They carried her, protesting and then pleading and then crying, back into a tunnel, a room, a closet where they slammed and locked the door. So here what did the children do? As William told that they should carry and lock her up in the closet, the children, they surged about her. They came around her and they caught hold of her and they carried her. And while they were carrying her, she was protesting. She was even pleeding. And then she started crying. Okay. And here the children, they were taking her back in the tunnel. They went to a room and then they put her inside a closet. And then they slammed the door, okay, and locked the door. They stood looking at the door and saw it tremble from her beating. And then, after they closed the door of the closet, they stood over there looking at the door. Why? Because the door was trembling by the beating of the girl. Margot was beating the door from inside. And she was throwing herself also against the door. They heard her muffled cries. Muffled means unclear. Then, smiling, they turned and went out and back down the tunnel just as the teacher arrived. So here, and then what did the children do? They did not open the door. Rather, they smiled. Then they went back, okay, out of the room, and then they went back down the tunnel and they arrived the place, the room where the teacher just then arrived. Ready, children? She glanced at her watch. So she looked at her watch because she was knowing the time when the sun will be coming out, and she told the children whether they were ready or not. Yes, said everyone. Are we all here? Yes, the rain slacked still more. Slacked means reduced raining. They crowded to the huge door. The rain stopped. So now what happens? The rain, it stopped. So when the rain stopped, okay, and the sun emerged, that is the place where we have reached. I think for today we should do till here. In the next class we will read what? The moment or the situation, the time. Okay, just after the rain stopped and the sun came out, how was that situation? It is given in this paragraph which we are going to study in our next class. Thank you.